Welcome to Blossom Homestead. My name's Sharon, and in this week's video I've actually got a broody hen, so let's see how she goes. I'm going to try to shift her. Alright, welcome. And somehow she's got quite a few eggs under her. The other girls, they seem to keep laying in the same spot, so we've got to try to shift her. And so I've got to make up a nice nest for her in another little cage. Isn't she beautiful? So this is the video that we'll be doing a little bit of a tidy up in, and we'll get some feed and water for the baby chicks when they come along. But this is a watering, and I'll get some feed in for her. But let's tidy it up for them. So, found an old bee box lid that I'm going to use, and I'm going to put a bit of my hemp in it and put her in there and carry her across. We'll see how that goes. This has got all beeswax. Yeah, I know. So this is what we call candling, and it is to see if there's anything in the eggs or baby chickens in there. So in these ones here, they're all clear, so there's no baby chicks in there, so I've taken them away. So I'm just a bit excited because this is the next day to see how my little girlie, if she went back to be sitting on her eggs. Let's go and have a look. There's all my mess that I cleaned out of her the cage. Now, let's see if I get a look. And a closer look. Oh, look. Yes. She's sitting. How cool is that? So, now we'll just have to wait and hopefully, because yesterday she didn't actually go back on the nest as quick as I was hoping. But she's got water all there in the... Can't really see, I don't want to open up and make too much noise for her. And I'll get some feed in there for her a bit later. Well, she's doing a good job. I'm going to get some wheat for her and put it in here so she can have some. So I'll just do some scraping so that she can have some in there. When she gets off the nest, she can go and have some. She can have some now when she gets off. So the next time I'm going to do it, what I'll do is I'll put her eggs in that nesting box, and then I'll put her back in her spot where she was actually was laying, and then I'll at night time I'll pick her up and shift her, because she was off the eggs for a few hours and it took her a while to get back on them, so I'm hoping they're going to be right. And what are you up to, Zimmy? What's on your face? And we'll see how she goes, but she's loving it there. Look at her. I will not disturb her any longer. So come along for the ride and see how she goes. Thanks for joining me on this week's video, and I'm always learning new things and that, so, and if you guys can comment and help me out, it'd be great. And yeah, let's see how we go with yeah, with Little Miss on our Broody chook. Alright, thanks for joining me. God bless.